Our Formula tool allows you to capture complex equations in class by creating fully formatted formulas that can be posted directly to your notes feed. To get started, select the Formula button in the Formatting toolbar to open the editor. Simply type or copy and paste your formula into the text box at the top, and you'll see a beautifully formatted preview appear in the box below, almost instantly. Once you're happy with your equation or formula, click the Post button to add it straight to your notes feed, where they will be clear and easy to read in and amongst your other notes. Need to edit after posting? Click the Notes card to quickly bring the editor back up and make any changes. If you want to find a simple way to capture complex materials, try adding formulas in Genio Notes.